Hi everyone, Jigyasa this side. Welcome to another vlog. Hope you guys are doing good. This vlog is all about Copenhagen to Oslo via mini cruise, 19 hours of journey one side. Prices can be checked in DFDS mini cruise website. Other than that, I have Madhu and Somyo, whom you have seen in the previous vlog, and Ashneet. Let's start. We just started from here, and I think check-in was very smooth. You have to show your passport. And the ticket. Anything you guys want to add? Because we are just starting.
Just trying to explore.
Manu, तुम कुछ बोलोगी?
वेदर बहुत अच्छा है मज़ा आ रहा है
Yeah, that's true. That's so. This is a sunset view from the deck. Just enjoy the view. So everyone, we are back. यहाँ पे बहुत ठंड हो गई है, अचानक से सबकी जैकेट्स बाहर आ गई हैं एंड देयर गोज अशनीत जो सुबह नहीं थी, वो डेक पे घूम रही थी. सो नाउ शी इज़ ऑल्सो पार्ट ऑफ आवर ग्रुप. सो हाय अशनीत. अशनीत नूडल्स खा रही है जो मधु ने बनाए हैं. मधु बहुत अच्छे नूडल्स और इंस्टाग्राम मैगी बनाती है, तो हम सब वही खा रहे हैं अभी. एंड दिस इज़ द व्यू and we'll talk later. Now let me show you the room. Now the cruise room that we have taken is a 4-bed kind of a room, which is a partial sea view. You will get a space to get ready as well as put your coats and jackets because it get a little cold in the evening. Then you get a very little space to put your bags, so come accordingly. This is 4 bed room, and you have beds at the top and 2 beds at the bottom. View is something blocked because it's a partial sea view. We never understood, but now we get it. At least we have a window to see outside. And then we have this bathroom, which is also pretty good, well functioning, I must say. We have not faced any problem here in getting ready and in the morning. Other than that, overall it's a nice room. It cost around 530 Danish krones per person for the entire trip. This is the 7th and 8th floor within the cruise, and if all the information what you can do in Oslo once you reach there is available. You can also play video games here. As you can see, this little room. Again, please note I'm shooting at around 1 or 2 a.m. at the night because I really want to show you how exactly it is. In the morning, it's completely like filled with people. Then you have this coffee crew where you can have your sandwiches and juices and coffee, and it was very nice coffee. I took one cake and a coffee from here in the morning. It was very nice. Other than that, you have the sitting area. The entire deck has sitting area, so you can just roam around, sit, have food. Then you have something like tax free. We are going to do shopping. I will cover in the later section. Now we are on the 8th floor. 8th floor also have various restaurants for breakfast or just dinner. So people are enjoying there. It also has a nightclub where you can just party, just dance, or in case you're interested in drinks also, then you can have it. So after this, if you want to have a cool and a nice place, peaceful place, and you can come at the deck at night, like 2 a.m. or whatever. You can see the moon and this night view, and we were checking northern lights. We were fortunate enough to capture through the camera the northern lights. You can see the pictures as well. Then we also had a dinner which we prepared from the home. I request everybody to please bring something from the home. That will be helpful. Then there are various games that you can play. One of them is Tambola that Ashneet suggested and we all followed, and we really love it. I also love the sunset view at the deck. I think it was very beautiful. So we played games, we have seen everything. Do check out each and every section of the cruise so that your time can be passed here, but it was once a while it's worth to come here. Then this is hallelujah morning view. So morning view, people are there sitting enjoying their coffee, enjoying the view, and it's really beautiful in the morning. You can see how it looks from the glasses, the cruise. It was very pretty, I must say. We just sit there and we were roaming around and having fun. It was really good. I would say it's a one time one should experience the cruise. It was my first cruise experience and it was very beautiful. I'm very thankful for this experience and to the friends. And here we are just sitting and enjoying the food. Just enjoying the food. Now, let me take you to the shopping. Yeah, shopping on the deck. So, this is a tax free area where you can actually shop various things. People usually shop alcohol from here as well, as it's cheaper. Then you have 20% off on the items. The clothes were not that great quality, so we haven't, choose any. But my friends too bought some, body care material or lotion or something, and I also bought some stuff from here, but definitely not clothes. Bags and all also available. All the branded items are available. Perfumes were cheap. Perfumes were also available, and good branded perfume on discount always available here. So you can check out that as well. It's a nice place to roam around, is what I see. As you can see, Prada, Michael Kors, so all these branded items were there to shop around or to look around. Other than that, let me show you. They're not allowing me to film, so I was not able to film the entire area, so I have to just stop the camera. But that's a collection, so do check out. Now I will show you some pictures that will show you the glimpse, and I hope you like this small vlog and find it useful. Next vlog will be way to Oslo, what we have done in those 3-4 hours, so you can also try it. So stay tuned for the next one. Lots of love and blessing. Bye. अगर ये वीडियो बना रहे हुए तो इतनी देर फोटो में नहीं लगती है, क्या कर रहे हैं।